World War I, also known as the Great War, was a global conflict that took place from 1914 to 1918. It involved major world powers, primarily divided into two opposing alliances, the Allies, including France, Britain, Russia, and later joined by the United States, and the Central Powers, including Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottoman Empire. Here is an overview of the causes and consequences of World War I. Causes of World War I. Nationalism, intense nationalism, and rivalries among European powers, fueled by a desire for territorial expansion and dominance, contributed to escalating tensions. Imperialism, competition for colonies and resources worldwide, particularly in Africa and Asia, heightened tensions between European powers. Alliances, the complex system of alliances, such as the Triple Entente, Britain, France, Russia, and the Central Powers, created a delicate balance of power and turned conflicts between individual countries into a broader war. Assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary by a Serbian nationalist in June 1914 triggered a series of diplomatic crises, leading to the outbreak of war. Consequences of World War I. Enormous casualties. World War I resulted in millions of military and civilian casualties. It introduced new forms of warfare, including trench warfare, artillery bombardments, and the use of chemical weapons. Redrawing of borders. The war led to significant territorial changes, with the collapse of empires such as the Ottoman, Austro-Hungarian, Russian, and German empires. New nations emerged, while existing borders were redrawn. Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles, signed in 1919, imposed heavy repressions on Germany, leading to economic hardships and a sense of resentment that contributed to World War II. League of Nations. The League of Nations was established as an international organization to promote peace and prevent future conflicts, but it faced challenges in maintaining global stability. Political and social transformations. World War I had profound political and social consequences, including the rise of communism in Russia, women's suffrage movements, and shifts in global power dynamics. Economic impact. The war caused economic disruptions, inflation, and loss of resources. It also laid the foundation for technological advancements and changes in industries, such as aviation and manufacturing. World War I was a pivotal event in history that reshaped the geopolitical landscape, shattered empires, and set the stage for future conflicts. Its causes and consequences continue to be studied and discussed, as they had far-reaching implications for the 20th century and beyond.